Alright, welcome back to Unit 5 review. Let's take a look at number 11. They ask you a triangle congruent criteria. Yeah? You want to know what is it. So remember, you have four of them. Side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, and in special case, HL. If none of them matches, then there'll be not enough information or the right cannot be done. Okay? So take a look at 11. At this time, you should get a habit of identifying really fast. So this one is angle, angle, side. Now, again, if you go the other way, you're missing a lot of information. You have angle here, but it didn't mark the side for you, and they didn't mark the angle for you. So you're skipping two. You're only allowed to skip one. So make sure you write a note there somewhere here on this paper that can skip one information. So for example, angle, you skip the side information here, and an angle, and then side. So angle, angle, side. Okay? Again, this is the common mistake that a lot of people make. This one here, when you do it, you have angle, side, side, ASS. It doesn't match any of these. But it's the right triangle, and the hypotenuse is the same, and the leg is the same. So this actually specifications a shell. Okay? So make sure you recognize that. Remember, not all right triangle is a shell. Only when the hypotenuse is the same, and it's the right angle, and the leg are the same. Okay? Take a look at number 12. Same concept, but the missing information that you need to find. In this particular case, what you're supposed to do is identify that, hey, they both share these two angles. Let's call this angle 1, angle 2. So we know that angle 1 and angle 2 are the same. Why? Because of vertical angle. And you want to know that for your exam. So once you recognize that angle 1 and angle 2 are the same, then you can go ahead and identify angle, side, angle. So these two are the same, but ASA. Huh? Take a look at the next one. When you look at it, you have two triangles. They both share PR here. See that? So really, if we make a marker here, you can actually separate this out and identify it really easily. But here, again, they both share PR. So PR congruent to PR. And this one here, what's the reason? Reflexive property. So make sure you know this. So reflexive property, they have to be exactly the same. PR equal PR. So, and angle 1, angle 2 doesn't have to be the same, but again, you can recognize that that's a vertical angle. That's your X shape here. Okay? Alright, back to B. Since it's the same, look at this triangle. You have side, side, side. Okay? Again, when you do this, you have sides. You're skipping angle information here. So that's 1, but then you go here, side. So here you can skip 1, and you keep going to skip 1. But no, you can't skip 2. Okay? 13, you already answered that. It's really actually they ask you to list all the criteria for proving two triangles congruent. So we know this: side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, and special case a shell. Okay? Hypotenuse leg. On the exam, I'm more likely to ask you which one is not a way to prove it. So it's going to be something that doesn't match this. Alright, take a look at number 14. 14, they actually identify triangle that is congruent. And again, you just gotta keep track of it. Here they ask you X, Y, W. Yeah, X, Y, W. They have one tick mark and they both share this. So they're going to be Z, Y, W. Okay? So they both follow the same thing here. So again, you want to make sure you keep track of everything. I mean, look at Z here. Here between the 2 tick mark and the 1 tick. That's right here between the 2 tick mark and the 1 tick. So you want to make sure you identify it correctly. So for example, if I want to know angle YWZ, it's congruent to what angle? Let's see, angle YZW. We'll go another way, YXW. Wait, YWZ, my bad, YWF. last one, x1, x1 is right here, so this one should match up, zy. So these two are on the same spot. Again, you can only double check. If you do this the first one correct, x and g, so x and g, y and y, y and y. And just more hints. Notice they both share yw. If I ask you what yw is, well, they share the both same thing, so yw. And don't forget there's a reflexive property. Okay, so that's a bonus question. Go ahead and try the next one, see how you do.